EagleNXT, formerly AgEagle aerial systems, is staying aloft, even as skeptics keep swatting at it because of a lack of profitability and revenue scale. After it regained compliance with NYSE listing standards in late January, it amended a securities purchase agreement allowing the issuance of up to 100,000 shares of Series G convertible preferred stock, a move intended to give investors greater flexibility to purchase additional shares. Then, to buzz beyond bearish sentiment, it's been busily bouncing around the globe since the new year, collecting customers in the commercial and defense drone world. For example, an EB Vision drone was sold to LJA Engineering, a Texas-based civil engineering and consulting firm. The drone will support infrastructure inspection, land development planning, and environmental monitoring. Importantly, EB Vision complies with U.S. National Defense Authorization Act (NDAA) requirements, making it suitable for government agencies that must avoid certain foreign technology suppliers. Engineering firms increasingly use drones for topographic surveys, construction monitoring, infrastructure inspection, and hazardous site mapping, enabling faster data collection and improving worker safety. EB Vision is a lightweight option at about 3.5 pounds. Being a fixed-wing drone, it's designed for rapid deployment in under 3 minutes to quickly make use of its HD live video streaming, thermal imaging, and 32 times digital zoom, while providing up to 90 minutes of flight endurance and a 12-mile wireless range. Such capabilities also transfer as great selling points for defense and government customers, like NATO's Kosovo Force, KFOR, which purchased 2 EB Vision drones for intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions. These systems will support peacekeeping operations in Kosovo along its border. For extra security in these kinds of uses, the drones include AES-256 encrypted communications. In a similar move, the U.S. Army purchased 6 EB-TAC tactical mapping drones through EagleNXT's European partner, Dronovo GmbH. Aside from being a Department of Defense Blue UAS cleared list drone, EB-TAC has a 3D camera for simultaneous nadir and oblique imagery used in 3D mapping, as well as a Duet-M multispectral sensor combining RGB and multispectral imaging. These technologies enable centimeter-level mapping accuracy using RTK and PPK positioning without extensive ground control points. EagleNXT has also sold 15 EBX drones to a European aerospace and defense integrator for geospatial mapping, reconnaissance, and threat simulation training, along with an order from a Malaysian government agency for an EB-TAC drone and sustainment package through reseller Surmap SDNBHD to support its existing EBX fleet. Similarly, spare parts for 20 EB Vision drones were delivered to a customer in the United Arab Emirates under a 2-year maintenance agreement. The support program was conducted with regional partner, the Drone Center. Then, to strengthen its global distribution network, EagleNXT signed a master distributor agreement with Falcon UAV to distribute its SenseFly drone products throughout the Asia-Pacific region. It has also developed integrations, allowing its MicaSense sensors to be used on drones from other manufacturers. For example, compatibility with drones from Inspired Flight Technologies was enabled through a smart dovetail kit, simplifying sensor installation and removal. Additionally, EagleNXT delivered drone manufacturing kits to Indian partner Vyom Drones to support localized drone production in international markets. Back in the Middle East, EagleNXT recently announced an investment in Israeli defense company Aerodrome Group Limited. Aerodrome specializes in autonomous loitering munitions. The investment provides EagleNXT access to technologies including target discriminating systems, autonomous navigation, and precision strike capabilities. The agreement also includes the option to establish a U.S.-based joint venture between the companies, pending regulatory approval. To keep up with customer demand and regulatory rules, EagleNXT has relocated its global headquarters from Wichita, Kansas to Allen, Texas, in the Dallas-Fort Worth region. The new facility will host its first U.S.-based drone manufacturing lines, producing EB Vision drones and MicaSense multispectral sensors. Production is expected to begin in May, with a grand opening scheduled for April. Manufacturing in the United States may simplify procurement for government customers and reduce supply chain risks. On top of that, EagleNXT reports its drones have completed over 1 million flights globally and hold several regulatory approvals, including Federal Aviation Administration authorization for operations over people, Beyond Visual Line of Sight (BVLOS) approvals, and certification from the European Union Aviation Safety Agency, giving it a leg up in a world where supply chain regulations are becoming just as important as technical specs when governments and companies buy drones. Then, although its MicaSense sensors can uncover a lot, they can't track stock charts that well, like TradingView, your trusted tool to track and scan the markets. Try it for free, link in the description and pinned comment.